Today we are absolutely slammed and we only have one option, and that is to tint this window start to finish from scratch in under 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and get right to it. We are obviously hand cutting this window. Front edge I always do first. Cut the front edge. Gonna go ahead and cut the bottom edge here. Make sure that film doesn't move because I don't need it to. Top edge is done. Go ahead and cut the back edge like that. Shrink the film. So we cut all the edges, cut the bottom edge, now we're just rounding off the 4 corners. Come back to the car, give it a quick spray, scrub and squeegee. I don't have a towel on me. Cool. Always got to clean off your top edges. That's where a lot of your dirt's going to come from. Spray the film back down with your slip solution. That's the glass, not the film.
Couple quick licks.
Ain't nothing but a couple quick licks. Throw the bottom half of the window on first.
Power stance.
Yeah, power stance. Can't forget the power stance. Make sure your top edge is lined up. Push out all the clean soapy water. Make sure your edges are still lined up. Spray it back down. Do your secondary squeegee. We got a lot of water and soap on this bottom edge. Push that out like that.
Kobe.
I don't have a paper towel on me, so we're just going to take our squeegee, make sure our edges are nice and dry. One final touch we do, a little bit of heat. That's done. Probably didn't even hit the door, just hit the door panel. And that's how you tint a window in under 3 minutes. From scratch, hand cut, shrink, install, clean, done. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you. Wonder if you could hear that.
I could hear it.
We'll see you in 2 Fridays.